Elephants are obviously amazing. Just look at them. But when you learn that they communicate like giant subwoofers, they become even more incredible. Let me explain. First, let's talk about what they can do, and then we'll get into how. To answer that, I have to tell you why the sky is blue. Seriously, bear with me. I promise this connects. So the sun, this thing is bright white. It's all colors from deep red all the way to indigo. Red has the longest wavelength, whereas it gets shorter as you move up to blue. Because those blue wavelengths are jittering so fast, they run into molecules of air in the atmosphere and they get scattered. The longer wavelengths can sneak their way through. So the sky is blue because we're seeing those short blue wavelengths get scattered by the air molecules up there. And the longer wavelengths can snake their way through down to Earth. Sound works the same way. Higher wavelengths get stopped by objects and lower wavelengths sneak their way through. So the way that elephants can communicate with each other between 6 miles on a bad day and 20 miles in perfect condition is by using a type of sound so low it's called infrasound. They vibrate their larynx, the largest of any animal, and they produce sounds of between 15 and 35 hertz vibrations per second. We humans can only hear down to about 20 hertz. But how loud does it have to be? So our hearing sustains damage at about 85 decibels. A rock concert is at least 100 decibels. An elephant call, 117 decibels. Want to hear it?
Okay, so here's the original sound. And here it is pitched up 2 octaves, so it's more in our range.
They use these calls for a lot of different things: finding mates, communicating about food, warning of predators, etc. They also have names, but we'll save that for later. So I'll leave you with one last thing. If they can make these sounds, they can also hear them. What they do is they lean on their haunches, they push their front hooves into the earth, and by doing so, they can hear low frequencies coming through the ground. So when a thunderstorm breaks out in the usually parched savanna, they know it from 150 miles away. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.